All right, so a circle has a radius of 6 inches and a central angle of 60 degrees. What is the measure of the arc length of that circle? So let me clarify what that is. So if I draw a circle, right? When they talk about a central angle, I don't know, where is the center of this thing? We'll make a big center. um, 60 degrees is kind of like this. And it's not perfect, but so this would be 60 degrees. And they want to know what this arc length S is. So when we normally this is the circumference, right? So the circumference of this whole thing is 2 pi. In other words, the relationship between the radius, and we said that the radius was 6 inches. But when we talk about the circumference of something, it is equal to 2 times pi times r. Okay. But when we talk about arc length of associated with an angle, we're going to multiply that, right? And one thing that you don't know is that it's really the diameter times pi. But 360 degrees, I'm trying to think of an easy way to explain it. I might just write the formula and not worry about but anyways, so we're not taking the full 360 degrees. This 2 pi is the same as 360 degrees. So we could just say this times the angle over 360. In other words, I could say 60 over 360 times 2 pi r. So then this length, this arc length S, would be this is going to be interesting. 60 over 360 can be reduced to 1 over 6 because if you divide the top by 60 and the bottom by 60, you get 1 over 6. You still have 2 pi, but the radius is 6. So 1/6 of 6 is 1. So this arc length is 2 times pi, which is approximately 6.82. And that's it. So we're really only focusing on a fraction of the circle. Well, where did I get the 360 from? Because a whole circle is 360 degrees. So this relationship and the circumference is the arc length of the whole circle. It's the perimeter of the circle. So since our central angle is 1/6 of the whole circle, then the arc length would be 1/6 of the whole perimeter or circumference of the circle. I don't know if that makes sense or not. But the formula is you're always going to take the angle they give you over 360 times 2 pi r. Always.